So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the high definition audio codec software from Realtek. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for 64-bit and one for 32-bit. To know which one you need, you want to go to search and type in system information. Click on it. And now once you're on this, next to system type is going to be telling you, I'm on x64, so I'm going to get the x64 download. If your one says x32 or x86, then you want to get the other download. In my case it says x64, so I'm going to get the 64-bit download. I'm going to click on this right here to download it. And now I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to accept the terms and conditions, and then click on download. You want to fill in the captcha, and then click on submit. It's now going to start downloading. And it should now be downloading. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. Once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start preparing the setup. We should now be on this screen. And now once you're on this, you want to click on next. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. Install Shield Wizard is installing. Now once it's been installed, all we need to do is just restart our computer. We could either restart it now or we can restart it later. I'm going to restart it now and I'm going to click on finish. The computer is now restarting and the Realtek audio driver has now been installed.